if you forgot the screen lock password and you cannot unlock your Nothing Found on 3A, if you want to get access to the phone again, unfortunately you will need to perform the factory reset, which of course erases all data. However, since there is no way to actually get access to the phone without the password, then what you can do is press the volume button and power button at the same time to open the power menu, and we want to turn off our phone first. After that, press and hold the power button and volume up button until you see the Nothing logo. And once you see the Nothing logo, you can release both buttons. There we go. Soon we should see the No Command Android text. There we go. So press and hold the power button, and then while holding the power button, we want to press the volume up button. There we go. And now over here in the Android recovery, we need to choose wipe data / factory reset option. We can confirm our choice by pressing the power button. We navigate by using volume buttons. So if you choose wipe data / factory reset, then over here you want to go to factory data reset and confirm once again by pressing the power button. And so far this is, I think, the only way that allows us to get the access back. So if you made backups before, then of course you will not lose you will not probably lose everything. But if you didn't do any backup before, if you didn't enable backup, then you will unfortunately erase all data. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!